Hello guys, today we'll go through the top checks in your Yamaha earbuds. The first, the best one that you can see now on the screen. We do have the application compatible with our phone and earbuds, of course. I think that this is the game changer for all the earbuds, because most of the earbuds that are cheap and are on the market don't have the application, and we can't manage all the settings in it. Here we have. So I think this is very nice. And apart from that, actually every single thing is here is unusual. It's not everywhere and can be included as a top trick. So, Equalizer. We can create our own presets or select from every single one here. We'll have listening care, which is here full range sound and lower volumes, which I don't see. This is the first time seeing this option for me, so I think this is very, very nice. Ambient sound makes it easier to hear environmental sounds while headphones are in use. Normal transparency mode. I don't really think that this is the top trick. Gaming mode reduces delay and improves audio transmission speed. I think this is the top trick we want to enable. So this is it for here. As you can see here, they have the auto power off yet, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.